Hey hi, this is Monojit Nandi and today I will show you that means this is a basic video for macro photography or any photography. Today I will show you how you can get more blur in macro photography. That is a normal thing. I think many of you know this well, and there are many who had no idea about this thing. So let's start. Today I'll show you how you can get more blur and beautiful background in macro photography that will help you very much. So let's start. So I'm just showing you a flower that I will shoot with my Nikon L810 and that will give better photos. So just check it. As you can see, I'm here and there are many flowers like this. These flowers are many. Okay, little flowers, and I will shoot them, and I will use that background for bouquet if I can get bouquet. And these backgrounds are there, and you can see these are pretty normal background, no green grass, no, not for flat background, everything like normal. And this is like complex for macro photography, but I will try more to give you a better shot. Okay, so I'll just plug in my Nikon L810 and I'll show you in photo mode. I'm just going to photo mode to show you. So here I'm just in so here I'm in photo mode, and I will zoom 2.5x to remove that black border. And there are many lenses L810 which are with 2x zoom, but I prefer this lens for me because it gives me more clarity. Okay, so when you are using a photo lens that is with only 2x zoom or 1.7x zoom, then what you should do is you just go close to the object, and you can see I am getting here like totally flat background. And when you are using like 1.7x or 1.8x zoom, you are not getting a proper flat background. Okay, so you are getting like hazy type background. So that time you should zoom like 2x to 2.5x when you can get a proper background for macro photography. This is a common step. As you can see, I'm getting here a complete flat background that is not green, but in this perspective of these bricks I am getting a good photo, and it is too sharp. And when it is in Nikon L810, you need to zoom like 2.5x in any condition to get proper background. So that is, and I told you that I will use that tree, I think from the window, so that's why I can get a bokeh type background, and you can see how I am getting this kind of background. So basic funda is zoom 2.5x or 2 zoom more to get more blurry photos. That means because when you zoom your I think that is aperture or something, if is written, that increases, or for that design your blur increases. Okay, so just check how I am getting this kind of photos, and I am in 2.5x zoom, as you can see properly. So just, and next video I will show you how you can darken your background. So this was a little video on this, and nothing like that. There are many people who knows this well. And my phone is lacking focus. What happened, bro? Just take it, and I'll show you. I think any problem occurs here. So for complete flat background, zoom more. So that is the basic funda. I have no idea I made it clear to you or not, but you can use this trick in your photography. This will help you whenever you are trying with without lens in macro photography. This will help you very much. I will show you in later how I do macro photography without lens. So that was enough for today. Just check out, and if you want to buy more lenses, please inbox me. I will show you many lenses, whatever I made and whatever I am selling. So, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, please check description box. You are getting their link to join. So bye.